Hi friends, my Midea microwave came in for repairs and it's malfunctioning. It's not heating food. Everything else seems to be working, but it's not heating food. It looks like I found the cause. The contacts are burnt, and that's why there's no voltage transfer. I'll clean the round sockets now and put everything back in place. I'll also remove all the black carbon. As you can see, steam has appeared on the glass. Another device has been repaired. Subscribe and see you in the next videos.